Maybe one of the reasons why you're holding out on starting a YouTube channel for your business is you don't think your business fits in on YouTube. Maybe you just don't think it will work on YouTube.
It just raises too many questions.
Today I'm going to share with you 15 YouTube channel ideas that do work so you can get started today. Hi, my name is Trena, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. YouTube has been my #1 strategy to grow my business in the past 2 years, and I love the power that video has had for my brand. Now let's just jump right into these channel ideas that actually work on YouTube, so I can prove to you your business probably can work on YouTube as well. The first idea is starting a business for beginners. Now, the reason why this channel idea works is because you're really focusing on the beginners, those that are just getting started. So you'll want to focus on topics like starting an email list for beginners, starting a marketing plan for beginners, starting an Instagram for beginners. You want to focus all your business topics to those beginners. The next channel idea is an art channel. You could do so many topics on this channel, like how to get started painting, best tools for an artist beginner, speed painting, watching people paint, recording yourself painting videos. These types of videos do really well on YouTube. Conspiracy theory channel. These videos are huge on YouTube. So creating videos about, do aliens really exist? Did we really land on the moon? Is Elvis still alive? The next channel idea is a meditation channel. So create guided meditation videos, or how to set up your own meditation room, or how to get started meditating. These are all things that people are looking for. They're looking for this specific channel. This is a big channel idea that so many people are talking about now, and it's an essential oil channel. Yeah, you could create an entire channel on essential oils, sharing your top 5 essential oils for relaxing, top 5 essential oils for headaches, how to mix certain recipes together, how to use a diffuser, what are your favorite diffuser mixes. These are all great and can easily lead into your business of selling essential oils. The next channel idea is a web designer channel. Share the different types of web platforms that are out there. Or, I'm not an expert on these, so I'm throwing ideas out there. How to get started on Squarespace or on WordPress, or how to make your website convert higher. These are all video ideas you could add for a channel just about web design. There's many of these out there, and you could create an entire channel on wedding planning. Yes, wedding planners could have their own channel on floral trends for winter 2018, how to find the right dress, how to invite your bridesmaids to be your bridesmaids, all these different things that brides type into Google or think about when they get engaged and they're planning their wedding. You could be their go-to channel for this. Moving to another channel idea, and it's a healthy lifestyle channel. Now you'll want to pick a specific niche, like how to do Whole30. So you could give tips, tricks, recipes, reviews on how to do Whole30. What's the specific niche that you can fit into? And this is really a great idea for a channel because so many people are looking for this. Another channel idea is a kids channel. And yes, kids channels are huge right now. To create a strong kids channel, you'll want to maybe focus on a specific toy, or maybe you want to focus on Play-Doh and playing with Play-Doh, or maybe creating slime. Having that specific niche in a kids channel genre that's going to make you stand out. And yes, these are huge businesses. Another channel idea is wine pairing. So sharing your favorite wine, sharing recipes, sharing what wine to eat with pizza or Chinese food, or what wines to have with your best friends, or on a summer night or on a winter night. All these types of videos could go into an entire channel dedicated to wine and wine pairing. What about a productivity channel? So sharing your favorite ways to get productive, how to start getting productive, like little strategies and tips and books and exercises to do, all about productivity. We're always looking how to get more productive, so you could have an entire channel on productivity. Along that line, an entire channel on simplifying your life, simplifying your closet, your kitchen, your garage, your business. There's so many different types of ways to simplify your life. You could have an entire channel just on that. Blowing your mind yet? Because now we're moving on to a photographer channel. Now I have someone I want to shout out who does an amazing job with this. I'll link her channel below, but Joy Michelle has an entire channel dedicated for photographers. So she's actually teaching photographers how to be photographers. But you could also be a photographer teaching, beginners how to take better pictures of their kids or how to take better Instagram photos. There's so many great ideas to start a channel for photographers. So many channel ideas that I have are really to help you grow a business, because that's really what I'm about, creating channels to grow your business. So you could have a channel on being a virtual assistant. So you could create tutorials on how you do things, or your favorite tools, or what it's like to work with you. Different things to really show your authority and to show what it is that you do to make more people want to work with you. Now, these type of channels are really huge on YouTube, so it's going to be important for you to pick a specific niche if you decide to do a DIY channel. So DIY clothes or DIY home projects, or just really finding your niche. And these channels are huge. You could really grow a channel and make a lot of money by just creating a DIY channel. Okay, do I have your brain juices flowing now about how your business can work on YouTube? If you're ready to take the next step, I'm offering a free masterclass on the 3 secrets to creating video content that converts. Because if you're a business owner, you want to make sure the time you're putting into these videos actually converts to, clients or students or someone buying your product, right? So you can go over to trenalittle.com/3 secrets to sign up for this masterclass that I'm hosting. There's multiple times and dates for you to sign up. I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to do to make sure you start a YouTube channel with videos that convert from viewers, people watching your videos, to actually paying you. Because that's what YouTube has done for me. With just a small channel, I've been able to build my business by converting my viewers to paying clients. And if you want to learn more about how to make your channel better right now, click that playlist that is on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and strategies on how to use YouTube to grow your business. See you in the next video. Bye.